Welcome. If you wanna change lock method on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10, for the first enter the settings. Now scroll down a little bit and click on the passwords and security. And as you can see, there's a lot of screen lock options, so we can maybe try with the password, and we can choose the pattern and click on the got it. And right now just draw your pattern and confirm it. Click on the confirm, and there is the notification with the fingerprint, but I don't want to do this right now. So when we're going to lock our screen and try to unlock, we have to use our pattern to unlock this device. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.